Hi everybody, welcome in. I have a unboxing today. It's actually two unboxings from the same company, and it's from Whittick's Curated Goods, and they sell on TikTok Lives right now until their website is up and running. They sell all things wreath, from picks and florals and ribbons and you name it, they have it. Micah and Jimmy are the owners, and they do a fantastic job um, selling their items on TikTok is where I've seen them live. So I have two unboxings. This was from a couple of weeks ago, and I was waiting for the second one to come in so I could just do them all together. Okay, so we're gonna open this up. I really enjoy their lives. They're very entertaining. Um, and they have some of the prettiest florals I've ever seen. Oh, and they sell signs too. So I mean, that's like I said, anything wreath, they do it. So as always, and let's see. Okay, thank you, and my pretty little thank you card. They got really nice thank you cards, and then my invoice that we we don't pay attention to. Pretty paper. I think purple must be their signature because everything I've ordered so far has been this dark purple. Aw, they sent a free gift. I like free gifts. Let's see. Ah! See, now in my last unboxing, they had this the sparkly pine, and then the pick with the berries, the flocked pick with the berries. That was my free gift last time, and now I'm getting a set, so this is getting good. And so a little free ribbon. It's pretty blue. It's got like little houses on it. So I had bought the last time. I thought maybe this would go with it. I think it still would. We'll have to see. But these are magnolia leaves, and they're like velvet. And I have bought. It's kind of like a little magnolia swag, and I thought maybe I could speckle in these magnolia leaves to go with that magnolia swag. I'm thinking these might be a little too vibrant, too bright colored compared to the swag I have, which is very antique-y looking, or very, I guess antique-y would be the best way to describe that other one. But they're really pretty. They're very bendable. Very nice. Okay. Paper. And when I do my wreaths, or if I do swags, I like to put a little bit of sparkly in there. And oh, these are gonna have a lot of. I got two, okay, but they've got a lot of cuts, to them. Very, very nice. What do they call this? Cedar spray silver is what they call this. And it's very, very silvery metallic-y. So I have some ideas for this. Couldn't pass it up. It was really good. And then these little things were so cute. What are they called? They're palms. Are they called palms? Puffs. They are frosted puffs. And they just add a little bit of interest after you get all your main florals in and your main greenery in, and you just need to fill in a little bit with a little bit of something fun. I think they're so cute. They're little green puffs. They're frosted puffs. Not to be confused with frosted flakes. These are frosted puffs. So I got 4 of them because there's a lot of little snippets on them. There's 1, 2, 3, 4. There's 5. Do they push? Oh, they pop. They don't push, but you can definitely get a lot of little cuts out of them. Where'd you go, dude? I'll have to find. I'll find it. It's on the craft room floor, and we all know what our craft room floors look like, so we just don't discuss it, okay? I will find my little head there, and I will put it back on. I also bought prior, I bought a really beautiful sign. It's a Jack Frost sign for Christmas or for winter. It's really, I'm really going to gear him more towards a winter theme than a Christmas theme, because people want to have their stuff up from December till March. So, and of course he's blue and silver, so they have the matching, perfect matching mesh. Let me know if you guys want SKU numbers. I can definitely help you out with that. But these are really, really pretty. It's a frosty blue with the is that metallic? Yeah, it's a silver metallic, but it's also got a deeper border edge to it. Really nice. And that's going to go perfect with Jack. And aw, he's cute. Little Nomi sign. Isn't he cute? So gnomes are big around me. I'm in southern New Hampshire. It's a, woodsy New Hampshire kind of thing. But he's a cute little sign. He's adorable. And he was a free gift from me. I love him. Thank you, guys. He's adorable. And I just got, I put it away. I just got some gray buffalo plaid. When I was doing my searching for getting my Christmas stuff ready for Christmas in July, I was saying, okay, what do I have for ribbon and such? And I have this gingham plaid, so he will be coming soon. Thank you guys for the free gift. I appreciate it. They're such a great group of guys, you guys. And they spray their boxes with something. I think it's apple. The boxes smell so good. The boxes just smell so good. And this is my little deluxe traditional Christmas is coming back. We did a lot of Candyland in the past, a lot of pinks and blues, and I think that's still a thing. Around me, it's not a thing, but I think it's still a thing in some places. But I wanted to get back to more traditional, so got that plaid. It's a deluxe. So it's fused. It's really pretty. It's perfect. This will be a perfect accent ribbon for your bows. When you're coming down to finishing your bow and you put the last smaller ribbons on, that's a perfect accent. Deluxe ribbon I don't necessarily do ribbon tails with, but I do finish my bows with it. Make my bows and finish my bows with the deluxe. Okay. That's box number 1. So, if you hang on, talk among yourselves. We'll have a little intermission while I reach for my other box. Okay? Thank you, guys. Beautiful stuff. Thank you. Thanks. All right. I just want to leave the box open so that it freshens the air. Okay. Box number 2. Box number 2. All right, let's do this. Yeah, I was waiting for this one to come in. I just figured, well, why not do them both and show you guys the beautiful things that they have. Now, I want to say the past 2 times I've seen them, they were doing like a Christmas thing before the past 2 weeks, but they go live on Thursdays, I believe. Jimmy and Micah can correct me in the comments if I'm wrong, but I'm pretty sure it's Thursday. But I have seen them on other days, so. Oh yes, this is the one. It's got a ribbon in here that's near and dear to my heart, and I'll tell you why when I get there. Okay, but. Some meshes, a rose gold to keep my, I use a roll, get a roll. So my rose gold, I didn't have any burgundy, and I want to do some really, and it's coming off red. I can see it now on the monitor. It's not really red. Well, in my phone it's red. On my monitor is burgundy. It's a burgundy. It's a maroon burgundy. Let me know if you guys want to have any SKUs, like I said before. Okay. And Oh, guys. They are really kind guys. Let me tell you. You want genuine folks? Pretty. Now, oh, I don't have it here. It's in the other room. I have bought some pink Christmas trees ribbon from them. It was a brilliance the last time. And they were very kind. Very, very kind indeed. To send me this as a free gift. Here's my scissors. Here's my scissors. I'm trying to feel for the tape. I see the tape. Trying to get it off. I think I'm going to have to cut it. Oh, I was going to say live TV, but it's really not live TV now, is it? Because it's recorded. I want to open it. Come on. Wow. There we go. I got it. I got it. I got it. I got it. I like the texture of this. It's very nice. It's not satin. I mean, I'll use satin, but this was really nice. A nice feel to it. Nice feel to it. I have some, oh, what do you call them? Christmas elves. And they're in the blue. I have one in blue and one in red that I'm going to do. So this is like perfect. Perfect, perfect. Thank you guys. Appreciate it. Love that. And I got, because who doesn't love velvet? I got some more. I got some velvet for winter. Now, like I said, I have, the scissors are just going to elude me the whole day. Okay. I've got a lot of like Christmas red, you know, Santa red, but I didn't have anything that was considered like a cranberry color. And this is a perfect, now it's coming off as pink, and it's not. It's definitely a cranberry. That's something I'm going to have to adjust on my phone, I guess. But in my monitor, it's coming off as a cranberry. In my phone, I can see it as a bright pink, and it's not. It's a beautiful, thick ribbon. Wow, it's really, really nice. So it's a cranberry, guys. Oh! I don't have this shade. I have a ribbon almost. It's another free gift from the guys. I love it. It's very, very sweet. I have this ribbon in so many different background colors. This is the beige or neutral, natural, burlap. All those words will fit with that background. But I have it in a red. I have it in green. I have it in brown. I have it in gold. And now I've got a touch of the burlaps. Perfect for this season because I'm still doing fall. I'm going to do fall all summer. I'm going to do fall all summer. But I will be doing Christmas in July very soon. Very, very soon. And I like how they randomly like wrap certain things. I just think it's so classy. It's like you're opening a present. So this one here is wicked special to me. My dad was a railroad engineer for over 40 years. I have two brothers. Two of my four brothers were in the railroad too. They worked for the railroad in some capacity. So we have railroad in our blood. The Boston and Maine Railroad. Now I think it's Amtrak. But, oh, this is stunning. If you guys have a sign or you want to do a railroad theme for this year, look at this ribbon. Can you see? It's red on the back. Gorgeous. This is a red satin, but it's canvas, I would say, or on the front. Oh my goodness. I'm going to hate to cut this one. I think it's going to hurt me a little bit just because it's, oh, I love it. Oh, can you see the front of the engine? It's got like a little Christmas wreath on it. I love it. I love it, love it, love it. Love this purchase. Oh, thank you. Thank you, thank you. I even go to our local train station when the trains come in just so I can hear the trains come into the station because it brings back such memories for me. Oh, oh my goodness! I love this. I love the sound of a train. The sound on the tracks, and every time they come in the station, they have to blow their horn 3 times. Fun fact. Sleep in heavenly peace. This is really pretty. I love sage, and this is a beautiful sage. Sleep in heavenly peace. And this will make a really lovely, lovely, lovely wreath. Beautiful. Thank you. Thank you guys. You guys have such nice things. And I'm going to do a couple of centerpieces, and he's going to be special. He's going to be so special. Now, I've seen it in red in other places. I haven't seen the black. So when I saw, because Santa wears a black boot. He doesn't wear a red boot. Santa wears a black boot. Look how sparkly he is. Isn't he cute? And even the big rounded toe. He's pretty good size. He's, whoa. Didn't see that, but there was a dog under my foot. Okay, so we're not going to do that. We're not going to, if I can edit that out. He's 10 inches tall. Isn't he cute? He's going to be a great son. And look at the opening. A lot of space here that you can fill in so that you can make a wider centerpiece on top. So yeah, he's super cute. I'm so excited. So that's it for this box. I can't wait for Christmas in July now. I didn't do Christmas in July last year. I just figured, oh, it's too early. I'll be burnt out. La, la, la. I got to do Christmas in July now, guys. So, thank you, Jimmy. Thank you, Micah. Everybody, it is Whittick's Curated Goods. They are live on TikTok, so follow them there. Their website will be up and running very, very soon. And, yeah, until next time. I get to play with my stuff. Until next time, we will see you later, and I'll see you live on TikTok at some point doing these designs. So yeah, follow me, and we'll see you soon. Bye.